Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about a BSc 5th semester CPCS syllabus unit number 4 chapters beta and gamma functions. So this is very important chapters. This is 21 markers. So 2 markers and 5 markers and 10 markers after examination for questions. Yes, this is 18 markers theory. This is M1 paper. This is M1 paper. So 18 markers theory, so 20 markers I, so then total equal to 100 markers. So M1 ಅಂದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ 4ನೇ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಸೊ ಬೀಟಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಗಾಮಾ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ BSc 5th sem CPCS syllabus. Yes, so definition and then properties, very important 2 markers, so oxygen examinations. Yes, this is, so today I am going to discuss about the beta and gamma function definition with properties. Yes, here only. So so like and share and subscribe the channels, don't forget this. About the definition of beta and gamma function, this here only. So beta function is equal to the definite integrals integration 0 to 1 x power m bracket 1 minus x power n minus 1 into dx. So for m and n are positive integers greater than or equal to 0 is known as beta function. It is denoted as beta of m comma n. So this is the formula beta of m comma n equal to integration 0 to 1 x power m minus 1 bracket 1 minus x power n minus 1 into dx. This is definite integral because this is a finite number of limit. This finite number of limit finite ಐತಿ. So limit ఏంది finite ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ definite integrals ಅಂತಂದ್ರು. So in m and n are so positive integers. m and n are positive integers. m greater than or equal to 0, n greater than or equal to 0 known as beta function. It is denoted as beta of m comma n. ಆ ತರ denote ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ beta of m comma n ಅಂತ denote ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. These are formula. These are 2 markers, very important questions. So 2 markers, very important oxygen examinations. So ಏನ್ರಿ exam లో 2 markers ಕೇಳಕತ್ತಾರೆ beta functions. So beta of m comma n equal to formula integration 0 to 1 x power m minus 1 bracket 1 minus x power n minus 1 dx. This is important formula and ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ರು use of the notations. Yes, another one gamma function definition. The indefinite integral integration 0 to infinity x power n minus 1 e power minus x into dx for if n greater than or equal to 0 is known as gamma functions. So indefinite integral means this is a infinite number. So limit ಏನೈತಿ infinite ಐತಿ. infinite ಅಂದ್ರೆ so ಏನೈತಿ infinite ಅದಕ್ಕೆ indefinite integrals ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. This is called 0 to infinity. So limit ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು finite definite integral or indefinite integral. This is proper or improper integrals. Yes, so indefinite integrals in 0 to infinity x power n minus 1 e power minus x into dx for n greater than or equal to 0. So is known as gamma function. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ so only positive n number ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So n ಇಂದ ಏನು positive numbers is known as gamma function. It is denoted as gamma of n. So ಯಾವ ತರ denote ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ gamma of n ಅಂತ denote ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So it is gamma of n equal to formula integration 0 to infinity x power n minus 1 e power minus x into dx. This is very important for 2 markers. So very important. So ಏನಂದ್ರಿ examination ಕೇಳಕತ್ತ 2 marks ಯಾರ್ದು ಒಂದು. So state beta and gamma function definitions ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ 2 marks ಕೇಳಕತ್ತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. So with very important for 2 marks definition ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 2 marks ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಸರ್. Yes sir. So next I will discuss about the properties of based on properties beta functions. Yes, this very important of properties 1 and properties 2. This very important. So step 1 by 1 I will discuss about the properties 1 here only. Yes, so properties 1 based on the beta functions. Yes, this the properties 1. This is so P1 equal to properties 1, prove that equal to beta of m comma n equal to beta of n comma n. So ಏನು beta of n comma n equal to ಎಂದು beta of n comma n ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು beta of n comma n ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ beta ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ beta ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು beta of n comma n ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. You have by definition of beta function ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಏನೈತಿ 0 integration 0 to 1 into beta of m comma n equal to integration 0 to 1 x power m minus 1 bracket 1 minus x power n minus 1 dx. m and n are greater than or equal to 0. m and n are so positive integers. Yes, so if you take 1 minus x equal to, so if you consider 1 minus x equal to 1. So any consider alphabets A, B, C, D. So I have to take an 1 minus x, so 1 minus x equal to y. So when x is equal to interchange 1 minus y, this have to, so ಏನಂತೆ so becomes positive ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದೈತೆ, so minus negative ಏನಂತೆ, so positive ಈ ಕಡೆ interchange, so y ಏನಕ್ಕೆ positive ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದು negative, so ಅದೇನಂತ x equal to 1 minus y ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. So then differentiation ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು both side ಏನಂತೆ x differentiate dx minus, so y differentiate become 0, so y differentiate minus dy. So yes, then so ನಮಗೆ ಏನೈತಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದೆನ್ ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಏನೈತಿ, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ x is equal to 0, ಸೊ ಏನು ವೆನ್ x is equal to 0 y becomes ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ x is equal to 0 ಹಾಕೋದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತಿ, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ 0 ಹಾಕೋದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಸೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ 1 minus x equal to y ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ. ಸೊ x is equal to 0 ಹಾಕೋದ್ರೆ y becomes 1 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ x is equal to 1 here only y becomes 0. ಸೊ yes, ಸೊ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಏನು ಬಂದು, ಸೊ 1 to 0, ಸೊ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ 1 to 0. So anything x is equal to put here only, x is equal to 1 minus y power m minus 1 as it is. So 1 minus x here consider equal to, so ಏನೈತೆ ಮಗ, ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಂತ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನೈತೆ ಮಗ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸೊ 1 minus x ಐತಿ, ಸೊ x is equal to ಏನೈತೆ ಮಗ, ಸೊ x 1 minus y ತಗೊಂಡೆವು, ಸೊ y ತಗೊಂಡೆವು, ಸೊ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆವು ಸುದಾ, ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 minus 1 plus y, so minus minus equal to becomes positive. So it 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus y. So for it n minus 1 as it is hಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆವು, so minus dy directly connect. So ಏನಂತಿ dx equal to ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮತ್ತು minus dy. So ಯಾಕೆ minus outside ತೆಗೆನು, integration 1 to 0, so bracket 1 minus y power m minus 1 y power n minus 1 into dy. So can next step, so beta of m comma 1 equal to minus 1 integration 1 to 0 1 is as it is ಏನದ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ as it is ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಸೊ ಏನಂದ್ರ, ಸೊ ಏನಂತ ಮಗ, ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಏನಂತೆ, ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್, ಸೊ ಲೋವರ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಇದ್ದು ಲೋವರ್, ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬೇಕಾಗೈತಿ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಏನೈತೆ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಇದ್ದು, ಸೊ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಲೋವರ್ ಇದು ವೆನ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್, ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ 0 to 1 minus y power m minus 1 y power m minus 1 into dy. So beta of m comma n equal to beta of n. n ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, beta of n comma ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋ x power m minus 1 ತಗೋ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು n ಬರೋದು, ಸೊ n as it is ಬರೋದು. ಸೊ 1 minus x power n minus 1 ಐತಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಐತಿ m minus 1 ಅಂತ m ತಗೋ. ಸೊ beta of m comma n equal to beta of n comma n. This is very important for 2 markers. So hence the proof. So hence the proof. This is very important for 2 markers. So 2 markers very important. So examinations BSc, so ಏನಂತಿ BSc very important ಐತಿ. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ 1 beta of m comma n equal to beta of n comma n ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ತರ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ, I will solve this problems. Yes, only I will just one more examples here. 2 markers is 2 marker questions. Beta of m comma n equal to 2 times of integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power 2m minus 1 theta, so cos power 2n minus theta into d theta. You have to take and we have to which one prove that, this have to prove that. So here prove ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, beta of m comma n ನೇಮ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು, you prove that ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So ಯಾವ beta of m comma ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to definition of formula ಏನೈತಿ beta function ದು. So beta of m comma n equal to integration 0 to 1 x power m minus 1 minus x power n minus 1 into dx ಐತಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಏನೈತಿ, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನೈತಿ ಇದು ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬೀಟಾ ಆಫ್ m comma 1 ಈ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. n x is equal to n square theta ತಗೊಂಡು, ಸೊ n square theta ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನೈತಿ sin x ತಗೊಂಡು x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ sin theta into cos theta ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ x ಇದೆ x into sin square theta 1 minus sin square theta cos theta ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ when consider x is equal to sin square theta ತಗೊಂಡು, so when differentiation equal to differentiation ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ dx equal to 2 times of sin theta into cos theta d theta. When differentiation ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಏನು, so when changes, when x is equal to 0 here only, so x is equal to 0 equal theta becomes 0. So n x is equal to 1, so ಏನಂತ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು theta, so inverse ಏನು sin inverse 1 equal to ಏನು theta equal to pi by 2. Yes, so beta of m comma n equal to integration 0 to pi by 2, so put here only, so x is equal to, so put here only, so ನಮಗೆ 0 to pi by 2, so integration 0 to pi by 2, so ನಮಗೆ x is equal to ಏನಂತಿ given sin square theta, so n to power m minus 1 as it is, then 1 minus x equal to 1 minus sin square theta power n minus 1. So dx is equal to, can return it 2 times of sin theta into cos theta and d theta. Yes, I have to return this. So 2 outside here only. So integration 0 to pi by 2 sin inverse sin so power multiplication ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ power 2m minus 2 so theta so 1 minus s square theta equal to cos square theta so to n power n minus 1 sin theta into cos theta d theta so you have to sin power 2m minus 2 into theta so ಏನೈತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪವರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ 2n minus 2 into theta so sin theta into cos theta d theta yes I have to understand to taken outside integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power 2n minus this have to a raised to m this formula a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus 1 so already done this yes now ಏನೈತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ತಗೋರಿ ಬೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದಾವ sin theta ಸೇಮ್ ತಗೋರಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನೈತೆ a raised to m plus 1 sin theta so sin theta ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ so ಏನೈತೆ -2 then ಏನೈತೆ then -2 plus 1 equal to ಏನೈತೆ -1 so then -2 plus 1 equal to -1 into d theta so ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು so ನಮಗೆ ಐತಿ 2 times of integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power 2m minus theta cos power 2m minus theta into d theta have to prove this so hence the proof so this is ಏಮತ್ತು hence the proof so what to do ನಾವು ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು ಸೊ ಏನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಈ ಏನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬೀಟಾ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನೋ ಬೀಟಾ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಸೊ I will continue the next class so thank you for watching this video so thank you to one and all so like and share and subscribe these channels this is a